All right, all right. I'm so excited to have a gentleman right now that needs no introduction. He is running for DC State Attorney of General, and I'm so excited to have Mr. Ryan Jones on today. Matter of fact, we're rooting for him to be the winner. We're putting out there in the universe. Make sure you guys submit your ballots, get your votes, get the signs in your yards right now. Definitely dial up his team. And welcome, Mr. Ryan Jones. How are you?
Hi, Kat Harvey. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. So let's get started. Tell people a little bit about yourself, where you're from, and how did you get on this journey that you're on right now?
All right. Well, my name is Ryan Jones. I'm running to be Attorney General for the District of Columbia. I started out on this journey because I knew, well, look, I went to law school in order to make a difference, not only in my own life, but in lives of people who need it the most. People need people to advocate for them. I wanted to, one, understand and better understand the way this world works. I think law school is the best education anyone could experience in this country. And so, taking that education, I learned how critical it was to use that information for good. And so, you try to cut your teeth on important cases and do the good work. So, in 2020, we saw in the midst of a pandemic, there was no greater expression of give me freedom or give me death because of the social injustice that was happening. We're watching taxes being stopped, but we didn't see, that Black people could be safe from killings by the police. And so when you saw that energy hit 16th Street, that turned 16th Street into Black Lives Matter Plaza, you look in the mirror at the end of the day and say, what more can you do? And so the months went by and the protests continued. Streets were paved and painted black and yellow with Black Lives Matter. And so you saw the social outcry for wanting and demanding better from our leaders. And it wasn't clear that they had it in them. So I believe that I had to step up and I decided, okay, I'm going to take that energy and try to use my skill set, which I have honed over the last decade, to protect more people. I just can't be out here doing it for myself, making a living for myself. There's real people suffering every day and in large masses. And what better of a position politically could I do it than Attorney General right here in my hometown, Washington, D.C.? So that's really where it started. But I'll share that you start out on something, you grow into the role, you understand what else is out there, what other concepts you have to incorporate, then you realize how big of a position and what is required of you. And now your platform changes, it grows.